Hey everybody, Adam Christoffersen with Winnebago Towables. We're here today to take a look at our Voyage travel trailer that we have launched at Hershey and now our open house. And we've got the 2427 RB that we're going to feature today. Just please note that we do have 5 floor plans available, but we will be just talking about the 2427 RB today. So this will be the shortest of all the models at 27 feet, and we will have 4 additional models ranging all the way up to 35 feet. So before we get started on all the details and the fun, exciting highlights on the outside and inside, just want to talk a little bit about the Voyage product. So we started fresh from a blank palette. We wanted to do some voice of customer research and figure out what options are the customers looking for. What type of buyer is out there, the more millennial buyer coming to market. So we went with a more attractive and more aggressive graphics package on the outside. We went for a more modern slate decor on the inside, and really feel like we did a good job of executing that, and it's been received very well so far. So we're going to start up front here, so come on up and we'll talk about some of the features of the 2427. So all the Voyage travel trailers are going to be standard with the true drop frame storage. So we're going to start marketing this as max pack storage. We've got, again, true drop frame storage for massive storage for everything you want to take with you. We'll talk more about the inside as well on some of the highlights that we have featured in the bedroom, and we've really challenged our design engineers and our supplier partners to really get us some marketing behind this max pack storage there. So some other features of this: 2 entry doors standard. Your main entry door 30 by 72, your bedroom entry door 26 by 72, and note, it will have a window. Not going to be a blank door or just a peephole. Want to get natural light, cross ventilation in throughout the trailer wherever we can. That's directly from the customer where we're hearing that. So as we come on over here, let's go ahead and walk inside the 30 by 72 main entry door here. As I said, highlighting here, 7-foot overall interior height. Flat roof all the way, not a crowned roof, so 7-foot overall. Gives us the ability of a taller slide room or taller living area, so I'm 6'2", and a 27-foot travel trailer really gives us some spacious living in a travel trailer under 30 feet. So, voice of customer. Customers were telling us we need options for 12 cubic foot refrigerators. We need to focus on pantry and storage. We need more fireplace amenities. We need bigger TVs. We want king beds. So we've hit that on the head here. We've got an optional 12 cubic foot refrigerator. Standard is your 8 cubic foot with pantry, but for those who want to go for more extended stays, you do have your 12 cubic foot option available here. As we go to the bedroom, we talked about king bed options. This particular unit here is equipped with our king bed. Optional will be that standard will be the 60 by 80 queen. So I talked on the outside, max pack storage. Here we've got pull-out drawers underneath the bed, as well as sliding nightstands, so that way we can get more storage out of any dead space there. Also, we've challenged our design engineers to make sure everything is CPAP friendly. So everything here, 110 and USB on both sides of the bed. Also, all portable CPAPs, traveling CPAPs, will fit on both sides there. So really good amenities for those customers that are looking to go for more extended stays. So those are some of the highlights here in the bedroom. So we're going to head back, show you some of the highlights of the bathroom, and then also I want to finish up by focusing on more highlights in the kitchen galley area here. So 2427 RB is a spacious rear bath. 30 by 36 shower. Again, 6'2", plenty of head height, plenty of elbow room here, so great space for showering. The whole bathroom in general is very nice size, so stepping out of the bathroom, you will have plenty of space getting ready. You will have your medicine cabinet with storage, but again, storage underneath, nice pull-out drawer, and a large linen closet as well, so for all your towels. So, as we talked about, voice of customer, storage, but I got that 12 cubic foot, I lost my pantry. No, we actually have a walk-in pantry closet. And when I say walk-in, again, 6'2", I'm in here. You got 3 shelves, I've got coat hooks on the side here, so this will dual as pantry and great storage area. So nice bright light in here as well. So you can see this interior decor offers it very light interior feel. We've got the lighter color floor, lighter color wallboard, lighter color ceiling board, all LED interior lights in here, so that way we can give it that bright feel. We went to large windows with the MCD roller shade. That's new for the Voyage. No more pleated curtain with the strings, so great feature there with the blackout. In your slide room here, your flush floor slide, this particular unit is shown with the optional L chase, which has great storage underneath here. This part will fold out into sleeping. You can also equip this with the standard tri-fold sleeper or an optional theater seat. Notice, whatever option you choose here in the slide, you're directly across from the TV. A 43-inch TV is standard, and a great fireplace here, standard. Not going to be cranking your neck to one wall or another. As you come to the kitchen galley area here, we really took a focus on going to home shows, kitchen and bath shows, and what we're finding is some black stainless, and black is coming back in on more of the residential side. So we went to a standard 30-inch over-the-range microwave with a flush mount range with glass cooktop. But notice, it's a combination of stainless and black appointments. If you look at the cabinet hardware, we went to black to tie that in. Backsplash, that is something that is being emphasized in the residential market right now. So we've partnered with the backsplash partner, and we're able to give it a big solid look where we can route around windows and also get it mounted and tucked up underneath the cabinets so you get one seamless look. Nice glass inserts in the cabinets, again giving you some of that eye appeal. So we really feel like we've done a good job of capturing what the new millennial buyer is looking for in an overall look, while capturing the features that veteran RVers are looking for in some of these floor plans. So, other things that we have to highlight in this particular Voyage product. TrueTrax AC system. This coach is equipped with standard 50 amp service. 15K AC is standard, but we have an option for a secondary bedroom AC. If you're not wanting the noise of that secondary bedroom AC, no worries. Our TrueTrax AC design gives you one seamless duct. You're not going to channel all of your duct work, so that seamless ducting system will give you more even airflow. You can then go and close your vents back here in the living galley area and force all of that air into the bedroom area, so you're going to get more airflow of AC into the bedroom at night. So again, TrueTrax AC design, a great feature. We have some other great highlights. Again, customer feedback. Trying to get those customers who are going for a little bit longer time. We're trying to highlight those RVers who are working full-time from the road or working more from the road. So we have Wi-Fi prep. King Wi-Fi prep. We've got roof mount solar prep. So we will be prepped for roof mount solar. And then also, we've integrated a wireless cell phone charger. I don't have my cell phone on me to drop on there, but I throw that on there and it automatically starts charging. What's great is this becomes kind of a media center. A lot of people are cutting the cord. On your cell phone, you only have one choice. You can either stream it through the Wi-Fi. If you don't have good Wi-Fi, you can direct HDMI right into the TV, but then you can't charge it. Here, I can go directly from my phone if I'm streaming Netflix or watching a movie, HDMI into the TV, and put my cell phone right on there and not be losing a charge. So, a couple other highlights here to kind of wrap up. We've got our new Comfort Tech package. Comfort Tech package is going to highlight kind of the extended season. So, if you want to do any fall camping and it's starting to get cool, we've got the enclosed underbelly. We've got that thermal foil insulation keeping that underbelly warm. And so as long as your furnace is on, we have heat ducts going to the underbelly. So it's going to warm your holding tanks and it's going to keep that underbelly warm. Speaking of that, what you don't notice is heat ducts in the floors. So for those pet owners, we got all those heat ducts out of the floor. So we'll have rotaires on the side of the cabinet, the bottom of the bed base. But then what's really cool is here in the kitchen galley area, we've done a good job. Our engineering team, this is actually going to blow heat out. But in a high traffic area here, you don't have a plastic rotaire that's blowing the heat out. So they've done a really good job. Also, our front pass-through storage that we talked about, that drop frame, if your heat is on, we're forcing heat to that front pass-through area. The other half of our Comfort Tech package is for warm camping environments or climates, is we've got the radiant foil wrapping on the roof and down to the front cap. So when the sun is beating down in the heat of the day, that is reflecting the sun's UV rays with your TrueTrax AC system, keeping the coach cooler on the inside. We've got our Explorer package. So our Explorer package is going to be, larger 15-inch tires, for peace of mind. It's going to give you that Wi-Fi prep. It's going to give you solar prep. It's going to give you the wireless charger that we talked about. So some of those not so necessary needed things for camping, but the convenience to have that while you're out camping. And also, one big thing for 2020 model year is Winnebago Towables has released our 3-year structural warranty. So on all 2020 model year coaches, trailers, you'll have a 3-year structural warranty. So look for all of the Voyage travel trailers to be hitting your dealer's lots here soon. And well, again, 24-27 RB all the way up to a 35-foot travel trailer. They'll be rolling out on lots in the fall of 2019 and into calendar year early 2020. Adam Christoffersen with Winnebago Towables. Thank you for taking the time to review our 2020 Voyage travel trailer.